Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating a generic aftermarket radio. I've seen this basic style under many brands. This one doesn't have a brand name on it, but it comes from Bill in, let's see, where is Bill? Where is old Bill here? I didn't look at the work order. Bill is in Willows, California, and this is out of vehicle is NA, so it doesn't really matter what vehicle it's out of. At any rate, Bill said he's satisfied with the radio operation. He just needed the 8-track worked on, so we won't do extensive testing of the radio. We'll just make sure the radio works, and then we'll pop a tape in. Alrighty, Neil Sedeka.
For a loop, get out and circulate. Don't you ever call her back, girl, again. I'm gonna take me. Just pretend you're in. Open up your eyes. Well, who's a cousin to what you pay a big Alice? Alice is plenty of fish in the deep. Yeah, she's gonna break your heart. Oh, honey, can't you see?
For the next year or so.
Now you might have noticed that the track lamps, the wrong track lamps light up, and sometimes none of them light up. The customer did notice that and wanted me to replace the bulbs. The problem is it's not the bulbs; it's a little tiny piece of copper that's part of the. It distributes voltage to the lamps when the unit changes tracks. That piece is really flimsy and it tends to break off. There's no replacement available except on an identical unit, which of course I don't have on hand. So we'll just have to not trust the track lights because it just depends on what mood the distributor's in and what lights up. So you really can't depend on the track lights. I'm not able to fix that because of that distributor that's just not available anymore. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order off the home page of that website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all my options, prices, including options for turn times, are right there in the work order. It's going to save us both a bunch of time on the phone, which keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done and off the phone where work doesn't get done. So please do that research. You're welcome to call me and talk to me as long as you've got that work order already printed out and you know what the prices are and all that stuff. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Bill, for your business from California, and we'll see you guys next time.